Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you on the Nectar Queen mattress. I hadn't seen too many reviews in it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, just kind of based off my experience and let you know what I thought about it. Should mention real quick too, I found a pretty good deal on this mattress. I'll put a link to that in the description so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I researched these gel memory foam mattresses for quite a long time. Several months. I looked at literally everything under the sun out there and kind of settled on the Nectar, and I'll talk a little bit about what I think about it. I guess if you kind of want the short version of this review, I absolutely love it and I highly recommend it, but I'll talk a little bit more about why. One, kind of the most important thing, obviously, is comfort. Now, comfort can be a subjective thing. Some people tend to like softer mattresses, or some people tend to like firmer mattresses. I would say that this is kind of an in-between medium firmness mattress. It definitely has a very memory foam feel to it, which I remember on my first memory foam mattress that I bought several years ago. I wasn't sure I liked it first, but after about 2 nights on it, I loved it. So I'm kind of used to it by now, but if you're off-put maybe, or you think you might be off-put by a memory foam feel, don't be. You really just have to get used to it, and once you do, you'll have the best sleep of your life. But yeah, the Nectar is extremely comfortable. It has a medium firmness, very memory foam feel to it. One thing I really like about this one, as I live in a pretty warm climate, is it's very breathable. I've had like those old Tempur-Pedic mattresses. You wake up in like a pool of your own sweat. It's really bad. They've come a long way since then, but the Nectar is very breathable. You never feel warm or hot. You never wake up sweaty, anything like that. It's a really great mattress. One thing I actually like about the Nectar too is it comes with 2 of their Nectar pillows, which are memory foam pillows. They're actually really nice pillows. Another thing to mention about the mattress too is it does come with a 180 night trial, which is, they say, the longest in the industry. I don't know if that's true or not, but it is a long time. That's 6 months you get that you can try the Nectar, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, they'll return it, take it back, no problem. No questions asked, which is really nice because, like I said, mattresses can be subjective. Some people may love this mattress, other people may not like it as much, but the nice thing about it is you can try it out for half a year, and if you're not thrilled about it, they give you 100% of your money back, which was kind of the big selling feature for me, at least, because you really have nothing to lose. But yeah, overall, extremely happy with this. Highly recommended. For the money, it's a great mattress. If you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.